Breaking news coming in, latest in the CBI crisis now. Another CBI officer who was transferred after M Nageswara Rao took over as the interim CBI in charge has moved the top court. Deputy SP Ashwini Gupta has challenged his repatriation to the Intelligence Bureau. Gupta in his plea said that he was being targeted for his probe against CBI Special Director Rakesh Asthana and the Sterling Biotech case. My senior colleague Meenakshi Bhanja is joining me on the phone line. Meenakshi, over to you.
This is another officer, serving CBI officer, who is mounting a challenge in the Supreme Court. And why this becomes important, Gauri, is simply because we already have at least a couple of officers in Supreme Court. Of course, Rakesh Asthana's plea is pending in High Court. But remember, A.K. Bassi, who was transferred to Port Blair, his petition is likely to come up for discussion in the Supreme Court forthcoming Tuesday. He has obviously challenged his transfer to Port Blair, and coming close on the heels, we now have Ashwini Gupta, who is also a DSP, who has moved the Supreme Court challenging his repatriation to the IB. This is, of course, like you correctly referred to, post new guard assuming charge in CBI. He has gone on to say in his plea in the Supreme Court that he's being targeted for his probe against Rakesh Asthana and Sterling Biotech case, and he goes on to add as to how he has unearthed a lot of incriminating evidence during his on-field investigation in Vadodara between October 7th and 13th. Now, this is important because, remember, as we have just showcased on Mirror Now, that A.K. Bassi's plea is likely to be discussed or taken up for consideration Tuesday. And another CBI officer moving Supreme Court, alleging almost the same grounds, is something which makes these transfers, which are already under Supreme Court scrutiny, even more graver and matter of concern.
Thank you, Meenakshi, for these inputs. So, the latest on CBI crisis, another CBI officer has moved the Supreme Court now, and CBI crisis getting bigger with each passing day.